The OUUKA electric automatic wire stripping machine is a powerful tool designed for efficient scrap copper recycling. With its variable speeds, this machine can handle a wide range of wire sizes, from 16 AWG to 500 MCM. The WSM-N3 model offers exceptional value, currently available with a 17% discount, bringing the price down to $215.99. This machine is constructed with durable aluminum, ensuring its longevity and reliability. One of the standout features of the OUUKA wire stripping machine is its ergonomic grip, providing comfort and control during use. The manufacturer, OUUKA, has a reputation for quality, and this machine lives up to those expectations. In terms of performance, the WSM-N3 excels. It quickly and precisely strips wire, saving time and effort. The variable speed control allows for customization, ensuring optimal results for different wire types and sizes. The machine's compact design makes it easy to store and transport, and its lightweight construction further enhances its portability. With its efficient wire stripping capabilities, the OUKA WSM-N3 is an excellent choice for professionals and hobbyists alike, offering a reliable and cost-effective solution for wire recycling. Overall, this machine is a great investment for anyone looking to streamline their wire stripping process, offering precision, speed, and durability at an affordable price.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.